welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening this gigantic Boxy charm. This is the Boxy charm Luxe, and this is the normal size Boxy charm. Isn't that insane? They're like so different. And then if you look from the side, way different. That is a normal Boxy charm. I was so excited that I got one of these because I wanted the last one, but I didn't realize it was like a limited amount and like it was gonna go as fast as it did. Like I think they had it for 2 or 3 days. So I was like, okay, I see you. So I signed up for this in October, I think, so I could make sure that I got one. I really wanted one because it looks just so crazy awesome. If I could open this, that would help. Alright, so the original, so this one's normally, like the smaller one is normally $21 a month, and then this one is $50, and you get it every 3 months. I'm gonna have like a hard time opening this, I already know, because there's 2 of these I gotta get through, and I can't push it in like normal. Alright, one side done. It's always underneath something, I swear. Clear stickers get stuck underneath things. 1,000 years later, I'll have this open. Woo! Okay, I got it open. And it still says it. Hello, Charmer. Alright, guys. Are we ready to see this? Boxy charm, charming. Even this is gigantic. Okay, so this is my price list. I will tell you guys at the end what everything is worth. Okay, so I got It's a Girl's World. It's a flat iron. Oh wow, it's like bright yellow. So I got this little flat iron. It has like a little cute pouch that it lives in. So that's that. And that is worth, this miniature hair straightener is $75. That's crazy. So $75 just for that little straightener. Okay, next is this Spongel Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is a star, and it's dermatologist tested. It's a body wash plus buffer formulated with extracts of yuzu and doise and vetiver to moisturize, soften, and cleanse, with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. Alright, let's see how much that costs. So this is $20. Alrighty. This is a Luxe brush kit, or set, And actually I was super excited to get this because I absolutely love these brushes. So that is the brush set. There's 8 brushes, it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and small. Oh, it's a lip brush, so you know I will be using this. If you watched any of my videos of makeup, I'm obsessed with lip brushes. I always use one, no matter what. So that's that. Those retail for $65. Next is this Glam AF bag, and inside of it is this thing. It says Crimes of Beauty, and this is, I think it's a portable charger. It's a Crimes of Beauty portable charger, and it is $22. So that is that. Super cute. I like the little bag too. I like that it says Glam AF on it. I say AF a lot actually. Okay, next is this Lorac Pro Lash Pomade in black. Let's look at the brush for it. Ooh, that looks like it'll work well. I'll definitely have to do a video trying this because I already have like 100 coats of mascara on my eyelashes now. So that will not show you if that works well or not right now. Alright. So this is Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. So this is what these are like. Let's swatch them on the back of my hand. Okay, so this is Tuscan Sunrise, and this is Havana Night, and then this is City Lights. So that is what those look like. They're really pretty. I really like this super intense pink blush on my hands, so I will most likely use that on my cheeks because I love blush. Alright, so that retails for $26. Next is this Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This is what this looks like. It's very pretty, and that is the consistency. It's real thick. I will definitely be using this because I really don't want wrinkles anytime soon. I need to avoid getting them as much as humanly possible. I am getting older now. Unfortunately, I have to start caring a lot more. Alright, and that retails for $89. The most expensive thing in here. Dang. Okay, next is this Tartiste Shimmering Lip Paint. It's called Strike Gold. If I could open this, that would be good. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Let's swatch it. So that is what that looks like. It's just real pretty and shiny. Very gold. Alright, and last is this Violet Voss Palette Pro Eyeshadows. And I'm actually super excited to get this because it's my first Violet Voss thing. So I've been like debating on buying a Violet Voss palette. I'm like, oh yeah, and then here one is. Just magically appeared in my life. Okay, I got it undone, sort of. I'm just not meant to see this thing, I swear. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. This is this palette called hashtag my holy grail on the back. It's so beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to try this palette out. See? This is gonna be freaking amazing. Okay. So this palette retails for $45. Alright, so my nails are peeling off because I need to redo them so bad. So this box is worth So this Boxy Charm box retails at $386 worth of product, and I paid $50 for it. That's insanely amazing. I'm so stoked about this. I will definitely do a video trying these on because I have a good amount of makeup in this to use. It's like a really good blend of like makeup, hair stuff, and skincare, which is awesome. So I got 2 palettes, a lip color, a mascara, makeup brushes, this cool body wash thing, a flat iron, a portable charger, oh my goodness, I can't hold everything, and an anti-wrinkle cream. So this is everything. That's a lot of stuff. It's crazy. But yeah, so that is the Boxy Charm Luxe. It is definitely worth it. 100%. Literally, there's a lot in here. And it's worth a lot, which is crazy. So that's really cool. It's definitely worth the money. And I look forward to getting the next one. And I hope you guys look forward to seeing that video as well. But I gotta go to bed because it is like almost 1:30 in the morning. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Have a good rest of your night. Bye guys!